Okay, go ahead.
Cool.
Go.
Go ahead.
It's not very good.
It's not very good? All right.
No, I don't like it.
I have no opinion of this. This is just
It's just strange.
Ooh, it's a weird aftertaste.
Yeah.
For it.
Okay.
Okay.
It tastes like, what's the opposite of when something's like bubbly?
This one's good. I like it. It's it doesn't taste like, it tastes like regular like bottled water to me though.
Yeah, I don't really like that one actually. Like it's like weird, like metallic-y almost like
Yeah,
aftertaste.
I do taste that a little
kind
bit.
of thing,
It's
and then it
very
like
small.
makes you want to like, you know, pucker up a little bit.
I just wrote not good in all capitals on the paper. So
I don't really like that either.
Not like it
It
either.
tastes like metal.
like fruity?
It's citrusy.
Yeah.
Why is it
Wow.
citrusy?
No, I didn't like that one.
It was like the same, but like the metallic was slightly less,
Are you kidding?
which
I thought it was
made, which
more.
made it almost worse. Like I don't know.
A little bit classier than that nasty one.
It seems like they're trying too hard. It feels like when you think of like, this is some nice water, it tastes like what that's supposed to taste like, and so it like,
I didn't really try that hard.
it's weird, yeah. I don't know.
Oh, I'm getting so hydrated. Okay.
I like this one. This is like, this tastes like knee-high water.
It does.
Is that weird? Granted, I just drank from the water fountain, so.
It has like a distinct taste, but I can't tell where it's
Mhm.
from.
Oh, that's some good water. I like this.
Some good water.
Yeah. It like it's just like nice and pure and fresh, and it doesn't have any like nasty aftertaste.
I don't like this one either.
I don't know.
So opinionated. You should fire him.
That one was more plain than these
It was
others.
just
Like,
really plain.
yeah, there wasn't like an aftertaste or anything. It was just like straight up water.
Yeah, metally taste, minerals.
I'd drink it though. It's pretty good.
I'm suspicious of this water. I don't know how I feel about it. Like,
It's like when you drink it, it feels like filmy or something.
Yeah.
Like it leaves that kind of
I bet
feeling in your mouth.
this one might be Dasani. I thought I would be like really confident, but like the film that it leaves reminds me of like going to the movie theater and getting like a bottle of water and the film that it leaves in your mouth.
Except it would be warmer.
Yeah.
Like I can imagine it warmer, like when it's been sitting in your warm room all day, and you are desperate for water.
Oh, this is expensive water.
It's just like some like mineral.
That's like nice.
That's like a mineral
that tastes
water
like nice
thing.
water. That was
Comes
like
from,
quality
springs,
water.
they,
They,
like-
filtered it like 4 times. Like put some like spices in there.
That's pretty good. I like it.
That one tastes like a regular, like a really normal, generic bottle, I think.
Ooh. This is very smooth water. It like went right down. I don't know.
I'm kind of confused by
I'm
this
very
water.
confused. It's kind of gross, kind of good.
Yeah, like you need like to drink more of it to figure
I
out.
think
if
I
you're
also
enjoying it,
tasted
yeah.
a little bit of the Sharpie off of the cup. So that was kind of mixed in there. But
And that water was.
that
like,
one tastes a little expensive too.
Yeah. Tastes fresh and cool. Nice. Very nice.
That's definitely fountain water. I feel like. I don't know.
There's like nothing special about this water.
It just tastes like regularly
Yeah.
water.
This one's good.
Really?
This one's Dasani. This has to be Dasani water. I'm convinced. Well, maybe I just had 5 other waters, so.
It tastes cold and it feels warm. It's really
Yeah.
disturbing.
It's true. Yeah, that's.
I don't like it that much. It kind of tastes like milk. It doesn't taste like very like fresh and clear. Like there's like it's like heavy.
Number 1 is Uni. Number 2 is the electrolyte. Number 3 is Dasani. Number 4 is Fiji. Number 5 is the Boss. And number 6 is Box.
But I think that one's electrolyte, number 1. Number 2 is Dasani. Number 3, Uni. Number 4, Fiji. Number 5, Box. Number 6, Box.
Well, this was my favorite one, so I would say this one was Fiji water, and then I would say this one is Boss.
I think this one was Dasani electrolytes.
I don't even know what electrolytes taste like.
Does anybody?
So I have Electrolyte, Voss, Uni High. I think that was the one I thought was in here. Boxed water, Fiji water, and Dasani.
Uni, electrolyte, Voss, Dasani, Fiji, Box.